If you are a retiree and you want to build your own dream home here in Solen Residences with a 12 million budget, is it possible or which lot should I choose? In this video, I'll break it down and show you all the best options for turning that 12 million into your dream home. And these lots are located in a prime location, no? Yung iba dito ay malalapit sa ating amenities, yung iba naman malapit sa clubhouse. And I know na excited na kayo na makita yung actual lot, but before that, let me have a quick tour kung paano nga ba tayo nakarating dito sa Solen from Eton Greenfield exit. So, tara! Hi guys! Right now we're here at SLEX and kagaya nga sa intro guys, no, ang pupuntahan natin is Solen Residences and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga ideal lot if you have a budget of at least 12 to 15 million with building your own house. So right now nag-exit lang tayo ng Eton Greenfield exit. So if you're from Manila guys, if you're watching from Manila or if you are from abroad, no, from airport guys, ito po yung pinaka-exit ninyo, no. Dito po pinaka-malapit si Solen. We have two exits na pwede nyong gamitin. Isa sa Calax, which is the New Valley exit, and isa pa sa Santa Rosa exit, which is mauuna before itong Eton. So, depende na lang sa inyo guys. Depende kung saan kayo tuturo ng Waze or ng map, no, kailan kayo papunta. Again, Eton is the best exit possible na pwede nyong gamitin going to Solen Residences. Since we have a really tight budget, no, building our home here in Solen, ang pupuntahan natin guys, unahan ko na kayo, is yung mga inner lots natin. Another view guys, if you are watching other videos of Solen, ito naman another view to guys. Ang papakita ko sa inyo is yung mga secondary market natin na available, yung price per square meter niya. Available siya dito, maaari pwede nyong itayo yung inyong dream house with a specific budget. Ayan. Itong idea na to guys, nakuha ko to kay Sir Mel. Shout out to Sir Mel. That's one of my client, my friend, nakausap ko sa email na nasa ibang bansa, no? Although siya ay naghahanap ng retirement, they have a huge amount of money. Alam mo yun, retirement fund na eh. So kahit na ganon, meron siyang budget na specific na sinusunod, which is around 12 to 15 million. A lot of people, just like Sir Mel, they have a specific budgets. Although it is for retirement, no, pero hindi mo para ubusin lahat ng budget, di ba? So as much as possible, maitayo mo yung gusto mong house sa isang exclusive village, hindi ka ganun ka nasusugatan sa budget. Right now, we're here in front of the Eton Square. And few minutes here, guys, we are in Solen. Okay, napakalapit lang nito, guys. Almost 5 minutes lang, nasa expressway ka na eh. Kaya naman, enjoy na enjoy ang ating mga residents dito na tumira. And also, kaya ang dami ding retiree na pinipiling magtayo ng bahay dito sa Solen kahit nga working pa sila because napakalapit lang going to Makati or some part of Manila kung doon man yung kanilang work. So ayan guys, babaybayin lang natin to. I-continue natin yung video pag malapit na tayo sa Solen para maikli lang yung video. Okay? So ayan guys, napakalapit na natin sa Solen Residences. Kinat na rin natin, no? Kasi a lot of you guys napanood na rin paano pumunta dito. Pero ngayon, ang i-share na lang natin yung mga malapit na sa Solen. So, ito from SLEX guys, pumasok tayo ng Eton Development, then Greenfield naman, and then right turn lang. Okay? Right turn, may kita nyo, sasalubong sa inyo itong napakagandang greenery na ito guys. So kung makikita nyo yung linya ng mga puno, imagine ito yung uuwian ninyo araw-araw kung dito kayo magre-retire. So ayan, from there guys, sa main road na yon, dito na tayo sa Solen Residences. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito guys, napakalayo niya dun sa road. So alam mo yun, kahit saan ka pumestong bahay dito, worth it kasi hindi siya maingay, hindi siya madaling i-access. Kita nyo naman, entrance pa lang, bago makarating sa mismong gate. So ayun guys, nakapasok na tayo since kailangan na naman tayo ng mga guard. Dire-diretso na lang tayo dyan. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa clubhouse. Mag-park lang tayo saglit dito sa clubhouse para mag-video guys. So bala ko rin kasi ipakita sa inyo yung itong ating model house na available. Kung sakaling yung mga lote na mapakita ko sa inyo is magugustuhan ninyo. So we're here at the first lot guys. It is located in phase 1. And this is the lot. It has a lot area of 157 square meter, inner lot next to corner. And also, yung corner na yan next to playground, no? Which is an amenities here in Phase 1. It is a half-hectare playground, okay? So, may enjoy talaga ng anak nyo dito if dito kayo magpapatayo ng house dahil napakalapit lang. And also, from main clubhouse, we are few blocks away lang, no? So, napakalapit lang din natin sa ating entrance. Again, this lot is 157 square meter and this is my first suggestion. Since this is a secondary market, we are only selling this one for 35,000 pesos per square meter. So, ito yung lot niya, guys. Hanggang dito yan. So, from dito sa pader ng katabi nyong bahay, up to here sa punong yan, ayan yung pwede nyong tayuan ng dream home nyo dito sa lote na to, dito sa Solen Residences. Ideal floor area dito, if ever you are going to build, at least 150 to 160 square meters. So again, we are only selling this one for 35,000 pesos per square meter, times 157, around 5.4 million lang. And then, kaya naman to suggested ko, no, if you are going to build a house here, right now, the price per square meter, yung standard finish natin, is around 35,000 pesos per square meter din. So, almost same lang sila, no? And ipagpa-plus lang natin yung lote and yung bahay, around 11 million, pwede ka na magkaroon ng house and lot dito mismo sa lote na to. And again, it is located in an exclusive village. So, around 11 million, around 11 to 12 million, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng house and lot mo dito sa lote na to. So, that's why ito yung pinakauna kong pinakita. Again, this lot has a lot area of 157 square meter, facing almost morning sun, itong bahay na to, guys, kasi dito lumulubog yung araw. As you can see sa ating video, dito sa mukha ko, no, dito lumulubog yung araw sa likod ng bahay nyo. So, dito, almost, dito sa pinto nyo, almost morning sun po siya. Okay? So, let's proceed to our next lot para mabilis lang makita nyo agad yung ating mga lots na available dito sa Solen Residences. So, tara! So we're now here on our second lot and napansin ko dito, guys, almost wala pang bahay. No, ito pa lang ang katabi mo and the rest from this block is wala pa. And then sa harap mo rin, almost 6 na bahay pa walang nakatayo, no, which is a good thing, no. Isa ka sa mga una magpapatayo if ever na dito mo ilalagay yung inyong dream home. Again, we have here a 157 square meter lot area. And this one, guys, medyo mas mababa yung selling price nito. And yung lote niya, simula doon, guys, hanggang dito sa plate. Saan yung plate? Ayan, hanggang dito sa plate, guys, yung lote niya. So, from here, going there, sa poste na yan, up to here, dire-diretso, dito sa may signage na yan, guys. And still, it is located in phase 1, kaya napakalapit lang nito sa clubhouse. And andito lang yung ating playground. So, yung unang lot natin, nandun lang yon. And then pangalawa, 2 blocks away lang siya from each other. So again, it has a lot area of 157 square meter, almost facing morning sun, and malapit sa entrance. One, we are only selling it at 33,757 pesos only per square meter. So ganun lang siya kamura, mas mababa siya ng almost 2,000 pesos per square meter, no? And again, if dito kayo magpapatayo, no, ng house and lot ninyo, the total selling price for this one, 157 square meter lot here in phase 1 is 5.3 million pesos only. No, kasi ang price per square meter niya is 33,757 per square meter. And if ever you are going to build a house here, no, ang computation natin is 35,000 per square meter, kagaya ng una sa lot. And 106 times 160 for the floor area. Imagine na lang, guys, 160 up and down. So, for almost 10.9 million, 5.3 plus 5.6, almost 10.9 million, pwede ka nang makapagpatayo ng dream house mo dito sa mismong lot na ito. So, wala pang 11 million. Yan yung compute natin ngayon ng construction dito if magpapatayo ka sa Solen Residences. And it will change. So, it depends on the materials and sa timeline kung gano'n siya din kahirap gawin. No? It depends. But again, that's for the standard finish. So, around 10.9 million, pwede ka na magkaroon ng dream house mo dito sa lote na to. Okay? So, this is our second lot and puntahan naman natin yung pangatlong lot natin. Okay? Tara! And we're now here on our third lot. And nakikita nyo to, we are located in phase 3. So, meaning, we are 2 blocks away from the main Clubhouse. Ganun lang siya kalapit, no? And this lot has a lot area of 188 square meter. So, mas malaki siya dun sa dalawang unang lot na pinuntahan natin na located sa phase 1, no? This one naman is 188 square meter. Okay? So, ayun, 188 square meter. And again, it's an inner lot. So, this one, yung lote ninyo from here sa poste, ayan, sa plate na to, up to here. Ayan guys. So almost kalahati nitong bahay na nandirito. Ayan, almost kalahati niya. So yun yung magiging tatayuan ng lote ninyo. So this one again, we have a 188 square meter lot for our third lot na available. Pwede nyo tayuan ng dream house ninyo. No? So we are only selling this 188 square meter for 33,510 pesos per square meter. The total price for this one, 33,510 pesos times 188 square meter. The total selling price for this one is 6.3 million pesos only. So ito, mas malaki siya, kaya medyo mas mataas din yung price. And again, we are showing you secondary market. So magkakaiba talaga yung pinanggagalingan nila pagdating sa price. Minsan mas mura, minsan mas mahal yung kabila, no? But it depends. It depends on the seller. This one is 6.3 million. So if you are going to build a house here, no, 35,000 pesos per square meter times, sabihin natin 160 or 170 square meter. So 35,000 times 170 for the floor area for standard finish na house and lot. Right now, dito sa Solen, it will only cost you around 5.9 million pesos. So wala pang 6 million pesos, pwede ka nang magtayo ng house and lot dito. So again, sa lot area of 188 square meters, so we are only selling this one for 6.3. You can build around 170 floor area. Ang magagastos mo lang is around 5.9 million. Sabihin natin 6 million. So around 12,250,000 pesos, meron ka ng house and lot dito sa lote na to. So again, pasok pa rin siya sa budget if you are someone looking for a specific budget na around 12 to 15 million. So itong mga lote na pinakita ko po sa inyo is papasok sa mga preferences ninyo dahil unang-una below 35,000 pesos per square meter yung mga price niya. So hindi kayo gagastos ng malaki for the lot. Kaya naman yung extra money ninyo pwede nyo nang i-allot dun sa itatayo nyong bahay. Kaya naman pasok na pasok sa budget. If you are a retiree, you want to build your own home here in Solen Residences, or isa kang starting family na gusto mo magtayo rin ng bahay na or bumukod na, no? Ngayon pwede ka mag-start sa ating mga lot only na ipinakita. So that's all guys, that's the 3 lots available, and balik naman tayo sa ating clubhouse. So tara! So yun guys, right now nandito tayo sa model house natin. Nakikita nyo sa likod ko. This is Raya Model House, and the reason why I'm here, bago natin tapusin yung video, I want to show you ano nga ba yung itsura ng pwede mong ipatayong bahay sa mga lots na pinakita ko. No? So this is the best example. Okay? So as you can see, very modern Asian tropical yung design niya. Actually, dito naman sa Solen, you can build your own as long as it's follow the modern Asian theme. So, for approval yung mga design. Pero yung iba dito, guys, ang dami ng mga ibang design na hindi na halos ganito, no? Pero approve siya. So, meaning, sinasabi ko sa client ko, kung approve yan, sir, edi kung magpapatayo tayo ng ganyan, mas malaking chance na ma-approve na rin, no? Yung ating design sa bahay. So we have a 2-car garage which is a standard here in Solen. Kaya naman wala tayong masyadong sasakyan na nakahara dito sa ating mga roads kahit na napakalawak nito, no? And from here guys, I'll give you lang a quick glimpse lang para hindi umaba yung video. So, and by the way guys, this model house is newly renovated. Kaya kumikita nyo bago yung paint, everything, and yung mga gamit din, nais nila. No, again, this is our model house. You can design your own pagdating sa loob freely, no? Freely. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo dito, may room agad, powder room dito, or gusto nyo high ceiling, depende po sa inyo. The only required lang dito sa Solen is yung facade. So pagpasok mo, we have a foyer here, and nakita nyo dito, meron sa ilalim ng powder room, no? And also staircase, paakyat sa second floor. And this is our kitchen area. Ayan. Na may access papunta sa ating laundry area or service area. Napapunta rin sa ating parking. So, kung kayo ay may mga maids or drivers, so dito may access sila if ever, no? And here is our dining area. So, it's 4-seater, I think 8-seater. And dito naman ay high ceiling siya. This is your living area. So, ang ganda dito, high ceiling siya. Actually, guys, maraming may high ceiling dito sa Solen Residences na nagpatayo. Although, yung model house natin is high ceiling. Siyempre, yung mga naunang bumili ng lote, yung naunang nagpatayo, ganito yung ginawa nila. But, you can design freely. Napakalaki nga ng size ng lote natin, guys. Itong house and lot nyo dito, meron pa kayong allotted na space dito na pwede nyong gawing garden. And, depende sa inyo, barbecue grill. Yung iba, barbecue grill kasi mga foreigners, di ba? Yun, nakita naman tayo sa ating second floor. Bibilisan lang natin. So, para to doon, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng ating mga tour sa ating model house. So, ito, ngayon ko lang ata ito tinur tong Raiya dahil before it is ongoing construction. So, ngayon, pwede na siyang pasukin. So, tara! So, ayun, mag-yakit nyo dito sa second floor. Ayan, nandito, meron tayong window para ma-maximize natin yung sunlight. Dito rin sa may bandang to, may chandelier din. Dito tayo ngayon sa ating first bedroom. So, this room will be for your kids, possible. If you have kids na nag-aaral dito lang sa area, so dito pwede na sila mag-stay. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-rent ng condo, no? And dito, andito yung ating common toilet and bath. Tapos dito, we have the view of the living area since it is a high ceiling. It has a common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. And ito naman yung access natin dito sa master's bedroom. But before that, let me show you this one. This is our second bedroom. And ginawa siyang for our babies. So, for kids. If ever, no, pwede nyo lagyan dito ng crib. Or if you have 2 sons, 2 daughters, dito. Pwede na sila, no, isa doon at isa dito. And dito naman yung ating master's bedroom. So, since this is our master's bedroom, on this side, this is your ensuite toilet and bath. And ito naman yung inyong pinaka-bedroom. So, dito, nakaharap sila sa mismong facade nung house and lot. So, may enjoy nyo talaga yung sunlight dito. And also, napansin ko, the master's bedroom only has the access to the balcony, which is a good thing, no? So, depende naman din sa inyo. Again, guys, itong pinakita ko sa inyo, this is an ideal model house for the lots na pinakita ko sa inyo, which is yung mga minimum cut natin dito sa Solen Residences. But, you can design freely your own from interior up to exterior as long as it's follow the Modern Asian theme. So, baba lang tayo and continue natin yung video. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating tour dito sa Solen. And sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa, no? Dahil ang dami nating na-upload ng video about here sa Solen. But this time, it's different. No, ngayon naman nakafocus tayo sa budget. It's another perspective, no, dahil itong mga lot na pinakita ko is secondary market, meaning no, bibihira yung mga ganitong offer. So if you have a tight budget and then you want to follow that budget, maybe these lots pwede nyo itayo yung inyong dream home. Dahil price range lang niya around 35,000 pesos per square meter or lower. So those lots, we are selling it very below market price. Actually, mas mababa pa sa zonal dito sa Solen, di ba? So if you are a retiree, you want to build your own house, here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, you want to design it from lot to building your home, up to detailing it, no? So dito, possible po yan dito sa Solen Residences with that kind of budget. So depende po yan, syempre, sa materials and kailan nyo to papanoorin at kailan nyo itatayo, syempre. Pero yung price na binigay ko sa inyo is ngayon po yon, no? Based ngayon. Dahil we have a 2 ongoing construction dito sa Solen. Kaya kung gusto mo pang sumabay, ito na yung pagkakataon mo, no? This is your sign. And that's all for today, guys. If you want to know more about Solen Residences or other lots that available in the market, especially here in Solen Residences, feel free to message us. It is 63969-6020739 and it has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, for still supporting our YouTube channel. And I have a great news also, guys, sa mga nanonood, no? I am verified na po, no? So kahit pa paano may pumapasok ka ng maliliit na income sa ating YouTube, no? And gagamitin ko to para makapagpaganda pa ng ating videos sa mga susunod, no? And yeah, thank you guys. See you on my next one.